How to turn off app notification on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off app notification on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply scroll down and tap on notifications and control center. And now here, once you are inside this section, just select app notification. And now here, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Now here you can simply scroll through and find the app that you want to stop notification from. And now here, once you have found the app from where you want to stop the notification from, you can simply toggle off the option which can be seen beside that app. And now here, once you do that, you'll no longer receive notification from that app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.